How to build a random number generator iPhone app. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in random number generator. And then, go to random.org from the results. On this page, you can add in the numbers and then generate the results. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the dots. Then, tap on Share. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. You can change the name if you want and then tap on Add. Now, go back to your home screen. As you can see, you will now find the Random Number Generator app over here. Tap on the app to open it. Following these steps, you can easily build a random number generator iPhone app. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.